Hello traders, the title of the video is how to find amazing trades using a Pitchfork tool. Alright, when I start trading first, I remember usually when the forex market is closed or the stock market is closed on Friday, I usually lock myself in my room looking for amazing trade that I can use the following week. And this is quite a time consuming things, trying to find out, okay, a trade that will be very rewarding, okay, for me the following week. And I will be using the MACD, the RSI, chart pattern, all kind of trading tool that will help me to find those amazing, alright, golden nuggets trades in the financial market. However, I'm not the only one doing that. A lot of traders are doing that, especially new traders. Even today, a lot of traders are spending a lot of time looking for those amazing trades. Alright, probably you are already a subscriber to our channel. You have been watching our video. You know about few amazing trades. But what I would suggest that you need to rest. Alright, you need to rest. Try to select those amazing trades that you already know and concentrate on them and trade on them. That's it. Alright, so don't spend your whole trading life just looking for those amazing trades. Don't spend your whole trading life looking for the next best trading strategy. Alright, do you like Fibonacci? Concentrate on your Fibonacci and know, okay, the best Fibonacci trading strategy. You like Elliott wave, concentrate on Elliott wave. You like RSI and so on. Or you like all, combine them together and work with those. Never take a trade just because you are feeling bored. Sometimes traders do take some trades because they are feeling bored. I know that, and I've done it myself. Alright, so you're sitting down, especially traders that are trading only one financial instrument. For instance, some traders only trade, for instance, the S&P 500 day in, day out, every day. But some days, alright, there is no, okay, amazing trade there. So you don't want to trade, but because you are feeling bored, you don't have anything to do, you place a trade, and those trades end up being a losing trade. So you want to be more selective and disciplined and trade only those amazing trades. So today, as I told traders before, we use the Pitchfork tool. Some traders already know it. But are you using the Pitchfork tool to find those amazing trades? So what I'm about to do in this tutorial is just to show you again, to stress on it one more time, that one can use the Pitchfork tool alone to find amazing trades. So the first thing that we need to understand, as I told traders before, is that the Pitchfork tool is a powerful tool that helps us to determine the possible path that the price is likely to take. It's amazing to know, to have a bit of idea where the price is likely to go. Alright, it's powerful. So we need 3 points. So here it is. We have 1 point here, another point here, another point here. With those 3 points, we draw a Pitchfork tool. As the price starts going up here, we draw it. So you can see that as soon as the price enters the boundaries of the Pitchfork tool from the top to the low, it stays within that boundary, okay, from year 2000, can you believe it? From year 2000 to 2013. That's 13 years. The stock did not go outside the boundary of that simple Pitchfork tool. Alright, so we can trade, we can day trade, we can swing trade on the edge of the Pitchfork tool. Boom, 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 boom. It's happening all over. The median line, the top of the Pitchfork tool, we can look for high probability trading setup, double bottom, chart pattern, candlestick patterns on the edge of the Pitchfork tool. Here it is. All over the place. We can draw trend lines, combine trend lines, and the Pitchfork tool. An intersection of those trend lines and the Pitchfork tool will highlight the hot spot resistance. So this is, you see this trend line, we draw it, Now we have an intersection here. This is a spot trading zone. The intersection between the Pitchfork tool and the horizontal key levels are hot spot trading zone. Alright. So you see the top here, the price went up from this high here. If I call it now, into red. Okay. So another intersection here. There was another intersection here. See how the price came, that intersection here. That see how it was volatile here. It just went into that intersection zone. Pew. Talking about that volatile candlestick bar into that intersection point. So the intersection between the trend line and the horizontal key level, the Pitchfork tool, are hot spot trading zone. So you keep drawing your trend line and you pinpoint okay, the hot spot trading zone, and you're looking for trading setup in those hot spot trading zone. Alright? So for 30 years, didn't go out. Now, the next thing that we want to tell traders is that if it come out of the Pitchfork tool, all we need to do, again, the Pitchfork tool is a powerful tool. We will just project the Pitchfork tool in the direction of the price. How? We measure the width of the Pitchfork tool, and then we project it up. Here, we project it above it, and we draw another line that is parallel to the Pitchfork tool. Here it is. So that brown Pitchfork tool, we project it out. Do I have a brown color here? Here it is. That's the top of our new channel, and we draw also the median line. And we are looking again for trending setup. Look at this one. So we brace above the median line of that second channel, and we test it here. Break above the median line, we test it here. It's an amazing trade. You retest it here, you retest it again here, on the edge of the median line of that projected Pitchfork tool. So price breaks above here, you see here, one up, one down. It's a candlestick pattern. Can you see? Where am I now? I'm lost a bit now. Here, this one. One up, one down. Candlestick pattern, see here? That doji, and the other one up. One up, one down, candlestick pattern. Okay. Near the median line of the Pitchfork tool, look at the following candlestick bar. Bullish, quite bullish. I'm on the monthly chart. For 4 weeks, just rolling up to the top of the Pitchfork tool. Price reaches the top of the Pitchfork tool, people are aware, say, watch out, we are now at the top. Watch out, we are near the median line. Watch out, we are near the median line. Watch out, we are near the top. Those are where you see recently again here. So it breaks above the Pitchfork tool, the second Pitchfork, the second channel. We test it here. So you are looking for amazing trade. Use the Pitchfork tool. Come out, project it up, draw the median line, look for trading setup in the vicinity on the edge, and also at a hot spot trading zone of that Pitchfork tool. Whether one is day trading, swing trading, we can use the Pitchfork tool. And to find amazing trade. Alright. What I'm doing now, I'm just trying to hammer it into your mind so you do not forget it, so that you may remember it and use it all the time. You get it now? I'm clearing a bit my chart. Okay, so first time we project it up, it goes above it as it did now. You see the second channel is this one. We measure the width again using market geometry, because when we are using a Pitchfork tool, we are concentrating on the price action more than anything else. So we are less likely to make mistakes. Alright. Again, we project it up and then we draw the median line of that new channel, and we are looking for amazing trades on the edge of the Pitchfork tool, and also at a hot spot trading zone. whether we are day trading or swing trading. So you can see now it's embraceable, the second channel. Here we are. Again, on the edge of the media line of the third channel. So just with this pitchfork tool, see what we have done so far. It was confined in the first pitchfork tool for 13 years. It stayed in the second one from 2013, all right, up to which year? 2016, before it popped out of the second one. So it goes to the second one. We know that, okay, it's likely to stay within the boundary of the second projected pitchfork tool. Now again, where we are now, the trajectory, the possible path is the third one. If it start coming down, again, we do the reverse, second channel and third channel. We want to know where are the key levels, okay, the horizontal key levels, the trend lines, and most importantly, the intersection between those trend lines and the pitchfork tool. Alright? That will help us to pinpoint the hot spot trading zones. Alright, so there's another resistance here. The intersection, okay, of those points. We want to know where they are. Okay, leave them there. And we can map out our chart like this, as I'm doing now on the monthly chart. So connecting, you see here, this low and this low, we have a trend line. Okay. And now that we have mapped it out, you may say, Joe, why are you stuck on a monthly chart? So nothing can stop us. So we have it now. We know all those lines. We know that the brown are the pitchfork tool, okay, and so on. And then we can drop it down to your daily chart, or hourly time frame, or 2 hour time frame, or 4 hour time frame. And you see here the edge coming near the edge. You know those are key level. Here it is here. Alright, those key levels. Or see here, this is above the pitchfork tree breaks above it is on the daily chart. Here it is, this one from a double bottom and so on. So you can just, once you have mapped it out on your monthly chart, you can drop it down to your favorite time frame. Looking for trading setup, you see on the hourly time frame here, touch it, touch it, touch it on the hourly time frame, and now it's kaput, very below, bam, see, coming down. Here again, you know this key level from this okay, double bottom chart pattern, okay, with a lower low, goes back above the prior low. This is a psychological price level. It's a reversal here. Again here, it breaks above it, and retest it here on the hourly time frame. You know where you are. You know those are key level on the monthly chart. So you know it's the pitchfork tool, top of the pitchfork tool, and so on and so on. You're making decisions. You see, not by mistake, people are buying like this. Alright? So this is about how to find amazing trade using pitchfork tool, trying to hammer this topic into the mind of traders so they may not spend too much time looking for amazing trade. You can use pitchfork tool alone to find amazing trade. I hope you have found this video useful and we put into use to make excellent day and swing trading decision. As always, if you learn something new for the first time and you like it, you want to use it, practice first so you may gain more skills and experience before going live. If you like this video, please give us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, please mark it down. That will put under pressure to improve our next recording. If you found it an essential tutorial, feel free to share it with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. So that we conclude our discussion today about how to find amazing trades using a pitchfork tool. I encourage you to practice, alright, until you master it. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to find amazing trades using pitchfork tool. Happy trading to you all and speak to you soon.